Welcome to the world of Indian cuisine, where we unravel the secrets of preparing the traditional dish known as water rice. Join us on this culinary journey as we guide you through the steps to create this truly authentic Indian delicacy. To start, gather the ingredients needed for water rice. You will require 1 cup of long-grain basmati rice, 2 cups of water, and a pinch of salt. The choice of basmati rice is essential, as it adds a distinct flavor and fragrance to the dish. Begin by rinsing the rice thoroughly under cold water. This step helps in removing any impurities and helps achieve a fluffy texture in the final dish. Once rinsed, set the rice aside for a few minutes to drain. Next, take a deep-bottomed pan and add the 2 cups of water along with a pinch of salt. Place the pan on medium heat and allow the water to come to a gentle boil. This step is crucial, as it will ensure that the rice cooks evenly. Once the water reaches a boil, carefully add the rinsed rice into the pan. Give it a gentle stir to distribute the rice evenly and reduce the heat to low. Cover the pan with a tight-fitting lid, allowing the rice to simmer for about 15-20 minutes. It is important to resist the temptation to open the lid during this time, as it will disrupt the cooking process. After the specified time has passed, turn off the heat and let the rice rest for another 5 minutes. This resting period allows the steam to circulate within the pan, resulting in perfectly cooked water rice. Now remove the lid and, using a fork, fluff the rice gently, ensuring that the grains remain separate. Your Indian traditional water rice is now ready to be served. This versatile dish pairs beautifully with a variety of curries, dals, or can even be enjoyed on its own. The delicate flavors and light texture of the rice will surely transport you to the vibrant streets of India, so indulge in the authentic taste of Indian cuisine by preparing this simple yet flavorful dish. With just a few steps, you can create the magic of water rice in your own kitchen. Enjoy.